How to add pronouns to your Instagram bio. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pronouns to your Instagram bio. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we open the Instagram application, let's first visit the App Store or your Play Store if you have an Android phone, and let us check about the Instagram if it is up to date or not. So just type in the search bar Instagram and click on Instagram right here. Now, if it says update or if you see any update button at your App Store or your Play Store, just click on that so that you will have the latest features within the app as well as the latest bug fixes. After you have made sure of that, that should say open right here. That means that your Instagram app is up to date. Assuming that I am now done updating my Instagram application, I'm just going to head on and open Instagram right here. And from your home page or from any other page, you should be at your profile page. So to do that, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner right here. And now you're at the profile page. After that, just click on edit profile right here. You should see that somewhere below your profile icon at the profile page. Just click on edit profile. And you can customize any options right here to set your profile as you like. And if you want to set or add your pronouns at your profile, just click on this pronouns option right here. And you can freely type in the pronouns that you use as a person. So I'm just going to type in she, her. So basically on Instagram, you can add up to 4 pronouns to your profile so people would know how to refer to you. So you can also opt to show your pronouns only to your followers. So that's it. I'm just going to toggle it on and click on done. Click on done again, and you should see it beside the name on your Instagram bio. So that is how you can basically add pronouns to your Instagram bio. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.